Hello. If you're looking to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and potentially boost your earnings, you've landed at the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most sought-after topics in the crypto universe, Binance bonus code. Binance, known as one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges globally, not only provides a platform for trading, but also offers users the chance to enjoy additional benefits with every transaction. And guess what? We've got something special for you. While you embark on your trading journey, why not make it a little more rewarding? By using the Binance bonus code 291935167, you stand to benefit from sign-up bonuses. Get a Kickstart with a bonus upon signing up. Reduced trading fees. Enjoy lower trading commissions, thus increasing your savings. VIP level. Upgrade faster to Binance's VIP levels for exclusive perks. Instant rewards. Gain access to instant rewards on various promotions. Here's how you can jumpstart your benefits. 1. Sign up. Visit the Binance website or app and register with your email. Second, verification. Complete the identity verification process for a secure trading environment. Enter the code. Upon registration, enter the Binance bonus code 291935167 to claim your benefits. Using this code not only adds value to your trading, but also supports the community by providing us with a little boost. It's a win-win scenario. Now, remember, Binance offers various cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and many tokens via Binance Coin, BNB. You're looking at a diverse market. And with tools like Binance Earn, you can even stake your crypto to make passive income. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrency trading is vast, and with Binance, you have the best tools at your fingertips. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your trading experience with VIP perks, lower fees, and instant rewards. Use 291935167 as your Binance bonus code and unlock a whole new level of trading. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video, where we'll delve deeper into the myriad of opportunities Binance offers.